Hi, I am Debra R. Richardson of Debra R. Richardson LLC, and I work with you to help you clean up your vendor data, clean up your vendor processes, and pay the right vendor. Now, this week's vendor master file tip of the week is a new scam alert. Fraudsters are in DocuSign accounts. And so we're going to talk about 5 tips to avoid this fraud. And this really came out of an article from Abnormal. Now, if you don't know, I have new scam alerts where I just kind of search the web, and wherever I see new scams that could affect accounts payable or vendor teams, I will post them on my site, give a summary, and then link back to the original site. And so that's what you see here for the original post from uh, Abnormal. And so let's talk about what they are seeing. So first of all, cyber criminals are taking shortcuts. They are buying stolen DocuSign logins on cyber crime forums, and get this, for as little as $10, as Abnormal is reporting in this article. And so they get the logins and they get into the account. They're studying all the documents that are in the account, so they know, right, when a payment is about to be due. And they also possibly could see some sensitive information, which is bad, but they know when to contact that account holder's business contacts to ask to change payment information. And so that's what they're doing. They impersonate the company that they hacked, and then they send fake emails because, again, that is what they do to try to divert that vendor's payments. And so there were 5 things that uh, Abnormal suggested or recommended that you do to avoid this fraud. And so the first one is to check the sender's email address. So DocuSign emails always originate from the DocuSign.net domain. And so if it doesn't, that could be a red flag for fraud. Also, how about personal greetings? The DocuSign email will always address you by name, and not so much with fake emails from the fraudsters. They tend to be impersonal, and that itself also is a red flag. The next one is the security code format. It should be very long. If it's simple and short, that could be a red flag that it is a fraudulent email. Also, inspect the links before clicking. And I know this can be hard because some of those links, even legitimate ones, are very long. But what you're looking for is somewhere in there the DocuSign.net. And if you see that it is linking to a document or a attachment or a document, it's linking to a document that's on like a Google Drive or some other document saving site or sharing site, that could be a red flag for fraud. And then lastly, just don't click on the link in the email. I know we often told that before, but it's a great reminder to go directly to DocuSign and go directly to sign in from that site. Click on the Access Documents and then enter the security code at the bottom of the DocuSign email. So don't click on any links in the emails. I know, again, we've been told that, but it is a great reminder. So those are the 5 tips, and this actually came again from the Abnormal uh, article. And so I am going to put a link to that article because it does have some more information as well as some visuals of the actual emails and also visuals or images of the cyber criminals or fraudsters buying, communicating to buy those fake logins. So, or to buy those logins so they can get into the real accounts, not fake accounts. All right. And I did want to have or let you know that when this recording video is done, this next one that I did back in December is going to pop up. And this is, can you use signature software to verify vendors for bank changes? I thought it was relevant because, again, it's signature software. And I know a lot of you rely on that for to get your banking information and to get sign off. So make sure you check that out. This again came out in December and it was a part of my Scam Holidays content. So it's going to pop up. So make sure you stay on and watch that if you're interested. And then lastly, if you want to sign up for new scam alerts, again, I find them all over the web and I post them when I see them. And so if you want to sign up for them, the day after I post them, you get an email with all of the new scam alerts that I've posted since the last time the email went out. So make sure you sign up for that. A link will be in the description. And then lastly here, if you want more information on how to improve your vendor process, you can go to my website at DebraRichardson.com for free tools and resources to avoid fraud, regulatory fines, and just overall bad vendor data. Now, if you would like a lot of hours, I've got 163 hours now because I keep adding of annual training for your vendor team. You can check out the Vendor Process Training Center at training.DebraRichardson.com. So good luck and be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified next Tuesday for the next Vendor Master File tip of the week.